pull it, pull it. Here's the food. I just got it out of the microwave because I was cooking it and it started getting burned a little bit. I got sick of it. So here I put some cream in it, some more cheese, and it looks like this. It's got rice, spaghetti, and it's hot. Let me try some. Here it is. It's hot. Very hot, very hot, very hot, very hot. Oh yeah, it's got all this. It's got that, which is ginger, garlic, cajun. It's got that. I'll put some extra. Put some a little bit of this, which I gotta put it away. Bit of that, which is that. Gotta put it away over here. And there you go. The cheese. I put some cheese on it. Some cheddar cheese. I put some of this curry, garlic, chili, basil. Put in there, please. And I put some butter, all in there, please. Okay. And it come out like this. Like this. It's got cream in it. Oh, cream. This cream. Look. Esta crema. Soy cream. Soya cream. I got put soya cream on it. I don't know why, just to cool it down. It's hot. Okay, very nice. There it is. It's got spaghetti, vegetables, and we'll put it together. Hello, bye-bye. Feel good, champion, Intermix Sector, YouTube channel. Hola. Tengo unas tetas, las tetas. ¡Voilà! I love you. Intermix Sector. Okay, that's the food. It's got onion, tomato, everything. All the herbs. Too many herbs, hey? Okay, I love you, Intermix Sector YouTube channel, subscribe. I love you. I love you.